Hello friends, it's Teddy, and today we're going to draw Hello Kitty as Wonder Woman from DC Comics. Let's begin by drawing a circle as the base. Next, create two U shapes on either side of the circle. Then, add two big C curves to complete her bow. Draw a reverse V shape on top to form one of her ears, followed by a curved line and another ear in the same reverse V shape. Connect these 2 points by drawing a large bowl-like shape underneath. Now, let's move on to her facial features. Draw 2 circles for her eyes and an ellipse for her nose. To create her whiskers, add 3 diagonal lines on each side. Moving down to her body, start by forming a curved shape below her face. Then, add a straight line, followed by a V shape and another straight line. Redraw the same line above and add a curved shape. For her chest, make 3 reverse V shapes and extend 3 diagonal lines from each side. Now it's time to draw her skirt. Begin with a diagonal line and continue extending it while adding reverse V shapes in between. Next, draw 2 U shapes below for her legs and add straight lines to represent her shoes. Moving on to her arms, start with a curved line. Then, add a reverse U shape and a C curve to connect it to her torso. Inside the arm, draw 2 parallel lines to depict her bracelets. Repeat this process for the other arm. Finally, let's draw her hair. Start with a curved line above her head, connecting it to her ear. Then, draw an S curve and continue with a V curve to form one side of her hair. Repeat this process on the other side to complete her hair. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy my drawing. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new video soon. Happy drawing!